Located in a quiet cul-de-sac location situated on a very popular road in Whitchurch, this 3-bedroom family home comes with no upper chain and must be viewed to be appreciated. Internally, the lounge comes stylishly fitted with wood laminate flooring and centres upon a feature fireplace. A double-glazed window to the front offers the room a light and airy feel. Continuing through the ground floor, the spacious dining room homes a wood-burning stove fireplace and provides a perfect area for relaxed family dining. Double-glazed sliding doors lead out to the conservatory, providing the room with plenty of natural light. Moving through, the tiled floor kitchen comes fitted with a range of units and features a door leading through to the conservatory. A utility room area is also located on the ground floor, just off from the kitchen. Moving upstairs, the first floor homes 3 bedrooms, including this good-sized master bedroom, which accommodates fitted wardrobes and features a large bay window overlooking the front aspect. The family bathroom is also located on the first floor. To the rear, the light and airy conservatory provides a perfect area to unwind in and features double-glazed doors opening out to the spacious rear garden and access to the downstairs WC. To arrange a viewing of this lovely family home, please contact Thomas and Rose today.